The Cubot TAB KIngKOng, a formidable device available on Aliexpress that combines durability with cutting-edge specifications. This rugged tablet is tailored for those who demand resilience in challenging environments, featuring a large 10.1-inch FHD Plus display, a robust 10,600 mAh battery, and an array of features that make it a reliable companion for various applications. The Cubot TAB KIngKOng is built to withstand tough conditions, featuring an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Its rugged construction ensures durability in demanding environments. Immerse yourself in a vivid visual experience with the large 10.1-inch FHD Plus display, offering crisp and detailed visuals for multimedia consumption, work, and entertainment. The tablet is powered by the MT8788 Octa-core CPU, delivering efficient performance for multitasking and smooth operation of applications. Ample storage. With a generous 16 GB plus 256 GB storage configuration, the Cubot TAB KIngKOng provides ample space for storing apps, documents, photos, and videos. Additionally, it supports TF cards up to 1 TB for expanded storage options. Featuring a robust 10,600 mAh battery, this tablet ensures extended usage without the need for frequent recharging, making it an ideal choice for users on the move or in remote locations. Capture memories on the go with the 16MP camera, allowing users to take high-quality photos and videos. The tablet is equipped with essential sensors including accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetic sensors, enhancing its functionality for various applications. With support for GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and AGPS, the Cubot TAB KIngKOng ensures accurate and reliable navigation capabilities. Dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. Stay connected with Wi-Fi support on both 2.4G and 5G bands, providing fast and stable internet connectivity. Bluetooth 4.2 enables efficient wireless communication with compatible devices. The Cubot TAB KIngKOng on Aliexpress is not just a rugged tablet. It's a robust companion equipped with features to withstand the challenges of demanding environments. With its large FHD Plus display, powerful internals, long-lasting battery, and versatile connectivity options, the KIngKOng is tailored for users who require a durable and high-performance tablet for work or play in rugged conditions. Whether you're in the field, on an adventure, or working in challenging environments, the Cubot TAB KIngKOng is ready to deliver a reliable and resilient performance.